Turns out, it's thanks to award-winning perfumers and laundry scientists. They supersized Kipling and filled it with concentrated detergent. Then added 3 times
Now you gonna stop snoring?
4 times the Oxy cleaning power, which explains why I'm not the only one loving them. They have absolutely upped my laundry game. Smells so good. You really gotta smell this.
The 3 for Me only at Chili's now serves up the all-new Big QP for just $10.99. And that's 85% more beef than some quarter-pound burger. Yeah, hey, fast food, this is how you value me. This Chili's 3 for Me is the best $10.99 you can eat.
Colds, flus, streps, even colds. Every disease cured with ease by this blessed formula based on ancient scripture. You just drink this tasty coconut silkiness every morning, and that's it. It's done. $100 for a 1-month jug. Additional jugs only $65 a pop. And I make nothing. Zero. By the time I pay my scientists, all the people in my lab, my developers, the lab rats, it's a wash. Well, why you do it then, baby Billy? Because I'm selfless. And I want to heal as many people as the dear Lord will let me.